What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this in-depth analysis on Pepe. Again, I've been covering this daily for a long time, so I know it in and out, I think. But in this video we'll talk about the possibility of actually getting some sort of a rally. I talked about this earlier in some videos. I mean, overall the current market structure, I made a nice little triangle out of it, but you can also see it with your own eyes. The market structure is quite bearish, right? I mean, we've been making lower highs since the top we made last Saturday. And we are getting some support at major support levels, like right here, 15,000, big psychological support level. It's holding us up, but it's not bringing us higher. We're still making lower highs. So in this video, just wanted to give you my thoughts on the possibility of some sort of a rally, because that is possible. Our main resistance level is this level right here, between 16,000 and 16,500, which is, by the way, what I always name the prices as. You'll understand. We can actually break out of that, so that's what we'll talk about in this video on how to do that and what would that mean for us. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. Now let's get right into it. So it's kind of a shame. I mean, right now, what I wanted to say to you, excuse me, is that Pepe right now is just, it almost is a little bit like a volcano, right? I mean, we have this triangle forming, and we did that before, and then we did not get some sort of a, well, we did get a bullish breakout. I mean, for example, you could have also made a triangle something like this, following this trend line, and then you would have seen that we got a bullish breakout here, but that only got us up to 16,500 almost. So now this is, at some point, I mean, we're going to get a breakout, right? If you have structures like these, at some point you're going to have a breakout, but what you do need for a breakout is volume. So yesterday morning, the volume for Pepe was still growing, and what we're seeing over the last 24 hours is that unfortunately it's dropping down, because about 24 hours ago we still peaked at around 320 million, and right now it's down to about 240 million. Still a lot of money, but it's I'm not sure if it's enough to get a bullish breakout. Apart from that, and you should know that if we get any news about Pepe, like a Coinbase listing, even though I do not think that's happening, or a tweet by Elon Musk or something, if something like that happens, we can easily rally. We'll break above 16,000 and we'll rally all the way up to 20,000 and 21,000 at least. But for now, technically, the problem is that if we can actually get a volume of about 300 million, then I think technically there's actually the potential to break above 16,000, and if we then can hold that, we'll break above 16,500 as well, and we'll get up to something like 18,500 at the very top. All right, technically that's possible, but like I said, we need more volume for that. So that's the main thing to actually look at if you want something like that to happen, because if the volume does not increase, then what will happen is that we'll also not have enough volume to get a bullish breakout. We'll just consolidate, and then at some point of time within these market circumstances, which are far from ideal, at some point of time the support level is not going to hold anymore. We'll get a bearish breakout and we'll drop down to 13,500 and 13,000. So technically it's very much possible to get some sort of a bullish breakout and a small rally, but the volume needs to increase, or we need some news on Pepe, so something related to it. Alright, so that's my full take and update on Pepe for today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.